So over here you can see that I have this PDF file right here, and if I were to open it up, it says we can't open the file because it is corrupted. So if you want to go ahead and try to repair it, you can actually utilize this tool called ILovePDF.com right here. And as you go around over here, you can see that repair PDF is one of its options. So what you can do is you can go ahead and select out the PDF file right here, just like this, and try to repair it out. So you can also go ahead and add in more files if you want to, but if you want to go ahead and try to repair this file itself, you can simply go ahead and click on Repair PDF. And then it'll go ahead and upload and try to repair the PDF file out. And over here in a while, it'll go ahead and complete out the upload. So you can see that this is what you have. And the thing you need to keep in mind is not all PDF are corrupted in the same level. And depending on the level of corruption, there may be chances for the repair and there may be chances of it being not repaired. But ILovePDF will do what it can to go ahead and try to repair out the PDF file. So over here you can see that the upload is completed, and now it'll go ahead and perform out a repair process right here. So you can see it says trying to repair right here, and it says this task has been processed successfully. So it did repair out my PDF file, as you can see right here. So if I were to go ahead and download it, let's just go ahead and then download it out right here. And if you were to go ahead and open it, you can see that it repaired my PDF file so that I have access to it. So that is basically how you can go ahead and repair out PDF files using ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.